هاي.
هاي القلاية على اليوم 19.
Is your inverter generating excessive noise during operation like this? There is one parameter can solve the problem. First, enter the parameter settings. Locate parameter 22.00. This controls the carrier frequency. Increase the value slightly. This improves the output waveform, reducing motor vibration and noise. But remember, never set it too high, as this can cause oversetting. Secondly, restart the inverter. Restart it. Restart the inverter and test the noise level. If improved, monitor the temperature closely during operation. If the inverter feels unusually hot, reduce parameter 22.00. Reduce it, right? So please remember, balance is key. Lower noisy without compromising performance. So you need any further assistance, please contact our engineers for expert guidance. See you.